welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Divameplz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing of Your Nail Lab by Makartt Luxe Edition. This is the $35 box that you are able to get so many wonderful things, and I am so excited to be able to unbox this one with you guys. And I do just have a couple of things I do want to share with you. So this is going to be the January box. I am so sorry that this is a month or so behind, but pretty much ever since Christmas they have been behind, and I have been getting my boxes pretty much late. So I have had this a while, but I'm just now getting around to recording the unboxing video, just because the beginning of the year or end of the year is extremely hectic for me. I'm even dealing with a little bit of seasonal depression, and more so just because my dad passed back in October of 2019, and his birthday is February 3rd. So I'm, happy for the new year, happy for my birthday as January 13th. I'm somewhat happy for Valentine's Day as well, but losing my dad a few years ago and dealing with that as the way that he died as well, and it was just a complete shock to me and my siblings, my sisters. So dealing with that in the beginning of the year is kind of like, or even just the end of the year, is kind of like one thing after another. My dad passed in October of 2019, so you go from October, it was October 26th of 2019, so you go from October into Thanksgiving, into Christmas, into New Year, then my birthday, and then a few weeks later, a couple weeks later, it is his birthday. So it is definitely a lot to deal with, and I really appreciate you guys for being so patient with me. Go ahead and check out my last video that I uploaded. It is the December box of the Your Nail Lab by Makartt. Again, we are over 1,000 subscribers. Woo! That is so exciting. Thank you guys for helping me get there, and let's continue to push. Like, can we get to 2,000 in the next couple of months? I know that will definitely depend on a lot of me and being consistent and posting a lot, but for me to be consistent and post a lot, I need you guys' help as well. So when I am, asking you guys what else you would like to see on my channel, needing that participation to help to make sure that I am even putting out the type of videos that you guys like to see on my channel. I do know for sure that the unboxing of these Your Nail Lab by Makartt, as well as the Amazon nail hauls, and even the nail hauls from my local nail supply store, does really well on my channel. But what else do you guys like to see or would like to see? Because I notice when I upload the process videos of watching me work, those do not normally do really well on my channel. So I just want to know what you guys like to see. So leave a comment down below of what you'll like to see on my channel. I do know you guys requested a video of me using the Kiara Sky. I did finally break this in like a couple of days ago, and I've used it on a couple of clients, and guys, I really do like this brush. I do definitely recommend it. So I will be doing a video of showing you guys this brush and comparing it to the other brushes that I have used in the past. So that is definitely on the way. And as well, I do want to give you guys a heads up that this may be my last unboxing of Your Nail Lab by Makartt for a while, just because another thing that I have been dealing with is my boyfriend unfortunately lost his job the day after my birthday. So that has also contributed to me not being consistent of posting and recording and sharing with you guys. But as of right now, until those new checks start rolling in, I will probably have to skip the February and maybe the March box. So you guys definitely leave comments down below of what you'll like to see on my channel, because like I can definitely upload or have, you know, one video in mind for you guys to be able to upload once a week, but I know you guys would love for me to upload twice. So definitely give me some ideas down below, some nail art ideas, if you want to see a sculpting video, or what you guys may like for me to, you know, give and share to you guys. So this is a team thing. We can't grow without each other. So let's go ahead and make sure we do this for each other as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into unboxing the January box of Your Nail Lab by Makartt. I know this is the box that they did with Natalie Coroma. So she is one of my nail tech, inspirations that I follow on YouTube. She is definitely who I would like to kind of be in the YouTube community, even on Instagram, as well as just being known in the nail community, but also wanting to just, you know, be myself as well. So I know I do need to give you guys an update on how things have been going here at the second salon that I have been working in as an independent tech, a true independent tech this time. So definitely make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. So go ahead, come closer, and let's take a look inside. So again, this is the January Luxe box by Your Nail Lab, monthly nail box by Makartt. Again, this is the one with Natalie Coroma. Please correct me if I'm saying that wrong, but let's go ahead and take a look. So Your Nail Lab, monthly nail box by Makartt by Natalie Coroma. Yeah. So in this box we got some glass crystals. Super pretty. We got a professional nail brush number 12 for poly extension gel acrylic nails. So this is definitely to do acrylic with and not poly gel. I'm not sure why it says for poly extension gel acrylic nail. That's kind of really confusing. Gel acrylic nail. Anywho, so this is the brush, super pretty. Another one to add to the Kiara Sky one. So this is a size 10, and looking at, oh wow, look at that. Have to figure out how to keep that on there some type of way. Now that is very disappointing when opening a brand new brush, but so this is your size, the size 10 Kiara Sky brush right here, and then this is the size 12 from Makartt. So you will definitely have to crimp this, as you have to crimp the Kiara Sky one as well, so that you can get that nice smooth tip there. And that is not looking like this, so you'll probably crimp it right here after you get all of the starch and everything out of the brush. Okay, so moving along here. You got some nail extension gel in a Sietha, which is definitely one that we have already received before. So here it is outside of the box. here is the color. Pretty color, for sure. Okay, moving on. We have some gel polish in the name Sparkles. This is a really, really cute pink, guys. Let's open it up to see what it looks like. So here it is, fresh out of the box. Ooh. It's kind of like giving me bubblegum pink vibes. What do you guys think? Or like a Barbie pink? What do you guys think? Make sure you leave a comment down below. And then we have Ginger, which looks like a nude or maybe like a really light orange. So here it is out of the box. And then here it is. Yeah, it's really giving nude vibes. Definitely make sure before use, you make sure to shake them up. Roll them in your hands is what they teach you in nail school. Sometimes it's not fast enough, so I just hit it on my palm. And I even open it up a little bit and swirl it around the top like so, just to make sure that it all gets mixed in there. There you go. What do you guys think about these two gel polish colors? Alright, and moving on next, we have some French XXL half covered clear acrylic false nails. So they're not to be a foot open. Okay, there we go. Thank you for shopping with us. Some really nice, super long tips, and do look like they are C-curved. Super pretty. Super nice tips to add to the collection. And last but not least, we have the Makartt acrylic colors. How am I gonna open this, y'all? This is the color Show Off. Really nice packaging. Makartt Pro 2-ounce acrylic powder in the color Show Off. Oh, moist it a little bit. After I break in the Makartt nail brush, I will definitely show you guys what these look like swatched. I know everyone that received the January box did receive the same two colors. Makartt Pro 2-ounce acrylic powder in the color Pinky Promise. So I'm assuming that these are cover colors. Oh, that's a nice pink. Alright. So it doesn't seem as if you get that much in this month's or the January month's subscription box, but I'm pretty sure these acrylic powders and this nail brush is pretty expensive, so that may be why you don't get much, it seems like. So I feel like we get so many of these and so many like small little things that you're able to find in the subscription box, but this time it did not come with such. But getting these two acrylic powders to add to the collection is great as well. So that is going to wrap up today's unboxing of the Your Nail Lab monthly Luxe subscription box by Makartt. Leave a comment down below of what you liked the most out of this subscription box and what you'll like to see next on my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all continue and grow together. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Divameplz, and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm doing my best to upload at least twice a week because of you guys' requests, but like I said, we have to do this together, so definitely make sure to leave a comment down below of what else you'll like to see on my channel. So coming up, be on the lookout for an update on how things are going in the new salon. Also be on the lookout of the comparison of the Kiara Sky brush. I'll also throw in the Makartt brush as well, and then I also will, do the side-by-side comparison of other brushes that I have used in my journey of being a nail tech. So until next time, guys, bye.